In today's video, I'll show you how to duplicate a component in Figma quickly and correctly. Whether you're building a design system, creating multiple cards, repeating buttons, or testing different layouts, duplicating components can save you a lot of time and help keep your designs consistent. We'll cover two simple methods, copy and paste, and the quick duplicate shortcut. If this tutorial helps you, remember to like the video and subscribe for more Figma tips and software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Figma and go to the file where your component is located. This can be a main component or an existing component instance inside your design. To select it, simply click the component on the canvas. You can also select it from the Layers panel if that's easier, especially when components are nested inside frames or larger layouts. The first method is copy and paste. With your component selected, press Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac. This copies the selected component. Next, press Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. Figma will paste a duplicate of the selected item onto your canvas. When you copy and paste a component, Figma creates a linked child instance when you're duplicating a component from a component set or working with a main component structure. This is useful because the new instance can still inherit updates from the original main component. For example, if you update the color, typography, spacing, or layout of the main component later, linked instances can reflect those changes while still allowing you to make instance-level overrides where appropriate. After pasting, you can move the new component by clicking and dragging it to the desired position. You can also use the arrow keys for small adjustments or hold Shift while using the arrow keys to move it in larger increments. If you're creating a repeated layout, turn on Figma's layout grids or use smart guides to help align the duplicated component with the rest of your design. The second method is the quick duplicate shortcut. Select the component you want to duplicate, then press Ctrl and D on Windows or Command and D on Mac. Figma will instantly create a duplicate of the selected item. This is usually the fastest option when you want to create another copy without manually copying and pasting. Once the duplicate is created, you can move it to another location or continue pressing the shortcut to create additional copies. Figma generally places the duplicate with a small offset, making it easy to see the new item. You can then drag it into position, use the alignment tools, or combine duplication with auto layout for cleaner, repeatable designs. The quick duplicate method is especially useful for creating lists, navigation items, pricing cards, profile sections, and other repeated interface elements. Since you're duplicating a component rather than recreating the design from scratch, the structure, styling, and properties remain consistent across your layout. There are a few useful things to remember. First, make sure you have selected the correct layer before using either shortcut. If you select a frame instead of the component inside it, Figma will duplicate the entire frame. Second, if you want a linked instance, start with a component and confirm that the duplicated item behaves like an instance in the right-hand properties panel. Third, keep your components organized and use clear names so you can identify the original main component and its duplicates later. You can also duplicate components while working inside a frame or section. Just select the component, use Ctrl or Command D, and then position the copy where you need it. If the component is inside auto layout, Figma may automatically place the duplicate into the layout flow. This can make it much easier to add repeated elements without manually adjusting spacing each time. To recap, the first method is copy and paste. Select the component, press Ctrl C or Command C, and then press Ctrl V or Command V. This pastes a linked child instance. The second method is the quick duplicate shortcut. Select the component and press Ctrl D or Command D to instantly duplicate it. Using these shortcuts will help you work faster, maintain consistency, and build layouts more efficiently in Figma. If this video helped you duplicate a component, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.